For this project, we're going to make a hat using the spiral method. To begin our project, we're going to chain 2, and then we will crochet 6 single crochets into the first chain of the chain 2. So we will do 6 single crochets into the first chain of our chain 2. Once we've done 6 single crochets in that first chain, we've completed our first round. With the spiral method, since we don't close with a slip stitch and then chain up and begin the second round, the stitch marker will show where the end of the first round ends and where the second round begins. For the second round, we're going to go into that first single crochet of the 6 single crochets, and we will crochet 2 single crochets in each of the single crochets all the way around, and we will have 12 single crochets by the end of our second round. If we didn't count, it might be difficult to tell when we've done our 2 single crochets in each of the 6 stitches. We should have 12 stitches now. The stitch marker helps us know when we've reached the end of the round and we have 12 stitches. Now we're going to shift into our pattern, and we're going to do this pattern over several rows. And so we'll start by doing 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. And then we'll repeat that and keep going around with 2 single crochets in one, and then 1 single crochet in the next 4. And you'll begin to see as you go along with the gradual increases that our hat will start to take a cone or a hat shape. Here's a close-up of the circular pattern. Isn't that lovely? Completed now 8 rows of 2 double crochets in 1 stitch and 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. And now I've reached the diameter that I would like for the hat. It also has a really lovely pattern on the opposite side, so once it's finished off, it truly is a reversible hat. Now I'm going to continue the remaining rows as 1 single crochet in each single crochet. I'm doing that because I've achieved the circumference that I would like for the hat. So I'm going to continue in my spiral by doing just 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. And continue to do this until you achieve the length as directed, or you can also make an adjustment to achieve the length that you would desire. To finish off your hat, single crochet all the way to the stitch marker, and then slip stitch into the next single crochet, and then finish off and weave in your ends.